Hello friends. Now after completing that what is life process, now basic processes which are common to all living organism. The first one is nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, control and coordination. At the last, reproduction is there, right? Here all the basic life processes are there. Now the first one is nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition, it means intake and utilization of food by an organism. Okay, so intake of food and utilize this food in the form of energy, that is called as nutrition, right? So intake and utilization of food is called as nutrition. Now food includes carbohydrate and fat, as we know. Okay, now food include protein, minerals and salt, right? Now the first one, carbohydrate and fat utilized by an organism. For example, when we utilize carbohydrate and fat in our diet, it acts as a source of energy. It means when we take chapati, it is full of carbohydrate. When we take chocolates, full of fat, then when it digests, it converted into energy form. Now the next one is protein, mineral and salt. Protein, as we know, that it is present in dal. Okay, minerals and salt present in fruits and vegetables. Okay, so when we utilize fruits and vegetables, when we utilize dal, when we take dal, this converted into which body parts, like body and like skin and blood. It means it is utilized for the formation of skin and the blood. It means whatever the body parts we are having, these body parts get formed with the help of these proteins, minerals and salt. Is that clear? So first of all, nutrition, it means intake and utilization of food. And if the food having carbohydrate and fat, okay, if this food having carbohydrate and fat, then this converted into energy form. If the food having protein, mineral and salt, it is converted for the biosynthesis of its body part. It means like skin formation. When we see that some skin get degenerated, it again the new skin will formed. It is due to these protein, minerals and salt. Is that clear? Now this nutrition completed. The next step is respiration. What this respiration include? Liberation of energy from food. Whatever the food we can take, it is full of carbohydrate, fat, protein, mineral and salt. Okay, now converting this food into energy form, that is called as respiration. Okay, so there is a difference between respiration and breathing. Breathing, it means what? When we inhale and when we exhale, that only the process called as breathing. But what about the respiration? It means when we inhale, now this oxygen react with food, which is in nutrition. Now this food react with oxygen, get oxidized and converted into energy form. This is included in respiration. Okay, now next step is transportation. It means what? Whatever food we take, first is nutrition, it is converted into energy form, that is called as respiration. Now this energy get transported to various parts of our body, that is called as transportation. So what is transportation? Transport of energy and other material to various parts of the body, that is called as transportation. Okay, and at the last, excretion. It means removal of waste material from the body. Okay, so all the living things having tendency to get rid of waste material through the process of excretion. So this is all about the basic of life processes, basic of nutrition, respiration, transportation. So if anyone asking what is nutrition, you should be able, whatever we can intake and utilize, that is called as nutrition. Okay, now what is respiration? That is energy. So many exams, there is a question, the process which is related to energy. So which is the process related to energy? Respiration. Okay, this is, which is the process related to energy? Respiration. Okay, which is the process related to transport of energy? That is transportation. Okay, which process related to get rid of waste material? That is excretion. Rid of waste material, it means we are able to excrete our waste material through the process of excretion. So this is all about the basic life process and basic of first chapter, life process. Now in next video we are going to start with digestive system, which comes under nutrition. It means we intake and utilize food, but how this food get digested, it is come under digestive system. Okay, so bye bye.